Australia is abundant with unique experiences and inspiring landscapes. There are well known vibrancy in its natural beauty and culture as well. There are many things to inspire your future travel plans, so go on, take a look around, and let yourself dream of all the possibilities. Australia, the smallest continent and one of the largest countries on earth, lying between the Pacific and Indian Ocean in the southern hemisphere. Australia's capital is Canberra, located in the southeast between the larger and more important economic and cultural centers of Sydney and Melbourne. Although it is rich in natural resources and has a lot of fertile land, but more than one third of Australia is desert. Most Australian cities and farms are located in the southwest and southeast, where the climate is more comfortable. There are dense rainforests in the northeast. Australia is one of the world's most ethnically diverse nations. Nearly a quarter of the people who live in Australia were born in other countries. They come from the United Kingdom and other European countries, but also from China, North Africa, and the Middle East. Australia's warm, sunny climate and abundance of open spaces gives the population a love of the outdoors. The people are also passionate about sports including swimming, surfing, sailing, tennis, cricket, and their own invention, Australian rules football. Australia's ecosystem is an unusual one because of its remote location. As a result, there are many animal species that occur here and nowhere else in the world, such as the platypus, kangaroo, and koala. Australia has 516 national parks to protect its unique plants and animals. One of Australia's most amazing sights rises like an enormous whale's back from a flat red soil desert called Red Center. This site is called Uluru and it is a sacred natural formation at the heart of the country. Rising 1,100 feet tall, it is the largest rock in the world. Australia is home to many of the deadliest species. There are also 20 types of snakes. There are several types of rainforests in Australia. Tropical rainforests, mainly found in the northeast, are the richest in plant and animal species. Subtropical rainforests are found near the mid-eastern coast, and broadleaf rainforests grow in the southeast and on the island of Tasmania. Australia is an important exporter of agricultural goods like wool, wheat, beef, fruit, and wine. The country is also rich in minerals and metals and is the world's fourth largest producer of gold. Australia is globally famous for its natural wonders, wide open spaces, beaches, deserts. Australia is one of the world's most highly urbanized countries. It is well known for its attractive mega cities such as Sydney, Melbourne, and Perth. The Australian education system is considered one of the best education systems in the world for both domestic and international students. Australia is almost the same size as the United States. It is also a land of staggering contrast and spectacular beauty. Along the coast, you can explore vibrant cities, vast sand, island, ancient rainforest, and one of the planet's most inspiring natural wonders, the Great Barrier Reef. In the outback, rugged national parks and red earth deserts offer the ultimate in adventure travel. The vibrant art scene and charming laid-back atmosphere, along with the cultural diversity of its inhabitants, their friendly nature, and the high quality of life here make Australia a wonderful, welcoming country. Australia is one of those hosts that serve wonderful food and drink. The vast coastline makes Australia the third largest fishing zone in the world. The most beautiful places to visit in Australia are Sydney Harbour, Uluru, Arnhem Land, Cottesloe Beach, Cradle Mountain, Daintree Rainforest, Great Barrier Reef, and Lake Hillier. With so many good reasons to visit Australia, it's clear why so many backpackers head here first. Road tripping Australia is the best way to see the country. Although Australia is huge with very remote areas and lots of gravel roads, it is a perfect place for road trips. Only a car can see some of the best of the beaten paths things in Australia because they are so remote. You will have the chance to explore some hidden gems on a road trip and feel like it's just you there. People in Australia are incredibly friendly and love speaking to travelers to their country. Australia has such a diverse range of nationalities and people, making it one of the best places in the world. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.